Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ade, and if you're just joining, you're welcome. And please don't hesitate to leave a comment, give my video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I'm sure you can actually see that button right there. That button, I know you can see it. It's not even gonna take 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Just look at the button. Just look at it down there, that one. Just press it. Yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do. So this video is gonna be a hair tutorial. So I've been seeing people with braided ponytails, especially only bells. Like, her hair tutorials are out of this world. Like, they are literally very clean, simple, and straight to the point. So I actually saw her with a braided ponytail, and I was like, you know, I didn't even see the video. I think she made a hair tutorial about that on that braided ponytail, but I didn't see it. I just decided, you know what, it's easy, right? I mean, it looked good on her, so I was like, you know, why not try it? So actually, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to have a braided ponytail. So all you need, it's simple. Like, you don't need anything extra. This is something you can do in like 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, well, maybe 10 minutes, right? Top most 15 minutes. All you need is actually a hair to use, an attachment to use. You can get this in your local beauty store. Like, this is like maybe $5, and you don't even have to use a whole of it. I mean, just a little bunch of it. This is hair from a local beauty store. So this is what you have. You need this. You need your gel, of course. So it's gonna be in a ponytail, right? So you're gonna have your hair slick, whatever style you want. If you want it up, if you want it down, if you want the middle, whatever way you want it. So you're gonna need hair gel, brush, and you're gonna need a tiny bitty brush. Oops. And you're gonna need a brush, and that's it. And also, you need to make sure that your hair is actually moisturized. Okay guys, so I just decided to not, put in all the stuff I was saying in there and just give you guys a voiceover. So at this point, you're actually just detangling and brushing your hair all the way to the back, and that's just it. Actually guys, so this place, I was just saying that you put in gel, and you put your gel in, a personal preference for gel. And then I was also saying that you can actually pat your hair whichever way you want it, the middle, the side. You can make your hair all the way to the back, the middle, whatever guys. And also, I was also talking about using a scrunchie. Instead of using a scrunchie, you could use a black hair packer. That would, make it easier for those that are just starting or those that are just getting this for the first time. But like I said, personal preference. So guys, in this section, I was just using the gel to put away any short hair or flyaways, or all those short hair coming through. And guys, you can skip this step. It's not necessary, like, because you're gonna be tying your scarf down anyways. I just like to be extra, make it all, gel and perfect. I'm just kidding. We're not perfect, but just make everything, look clean and neat for you. So guys, this is where the baby hair, or your edges, trying to style your edges, comes in. I really don't like to do too much to my front hair because, as you can see, I don't really have front hair. I just try to just curve it, like, instead of brushing out everything to the back, I just give it some curve in the front. And that's it. That's my own baby hair. So you guys, those that have baby hair, you guys are lucky because this is gonna look dope on you guys. But yep, this is where the baby hair or styling a baby hair actually comes in. So this is when you actually tie your hair down so that you don't want to get in the way, because we're going to add the extension to it. But before that, you want to make sure that you divide. We've packed the hair to the front, to the back. You want to make sure that you divide the hair into 3. So this is 1, and this is 2. And so this is 1. So this is actually where your scarf or your silky scarf comes in. So by the time you're done, and by the time you're dressed or done with whatever you're doing, the hair will be all sleek and you're just ready to go. So I just tied this down. Very tight, but not too tight. Back to my extension, the one I plan to use, and I'm using this color because I'm just trying to play with colors. I could also use black, you could use whatever color you want. It's just like, you know, my hair is kind of black and I just want to make it, you know, not just, I just want to like mix it, this color with my hair. That's what I'm just trying to do. You can do whatever you want to do. Like I said, personal preference. So what I do is, you want to take some of this hair. This is a whole bunch here, and you can actually go for any length you want. So this is I'm gonna take this, just some of this hair here, like that. It's gonna tangle because this is an attachment, this is an expression hair. So you're gonna cross it over like that. Make sure you're doing it neatly. So you want to cross it over. Like that. So the end point or the end game is that you want to make everything the 3. So it's going to be 1, left with 1, 2, 3. So you want to make sure that everything is kind of equal. So if you hold this, the fullness of it is the same as the fullness with this one, is the same as the fullness in the third one. That's the point. So that your hair is equal. When you're weaving it, it's equal. It's not like one is actually thinner than the other or whatever. So you want to make sure, because remember we have 3 here, so you want to join it together. So you go in, this is already 3. With the one this one is the one I actually took out from the initial bundle and then crossed it over. So this is it. Then you go to the back. You want to hold it like that. Take it to the back. The hair you divided, your hair that you divided, you want to take it. So this section is actually me weaving the hair all the way to the end. For those of you that don't know how to weave a hair, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will definitely make a video next time. So you want to weave the hair all the way to the end and then use a rubber band, like all those tiny rubber band, to just, you know, close it off at the end, and that's it. next thing after that, after I've done all of this, you put your the band at the tip. The next thing is you actually get your hot water. You actually need hot water and a towel for this, but I would do that right now. I'll go put on the hot water and I'll also do my makeup behind the scene, and by the time I'm back, I will show you guys. I'll be done with my makeup and I'll show you guys how to put this in hot water without hurting yourself. So this is me, my makeup done, and just my hot water is here, and I have a towel around my neck and I have a small towel as well. So this towel is there for you for it to protect you. Please, 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 this is very serious. You could put oil on yourself. Just be careful at this stage. And this is a towel so that when you're taking out the hair from the water, you're just using it instead of using your hands. So now I'm gonna go in, and if you cannot do this, you can help get someone to actually do this for you, but just for the sake of this video, this is a towel around my neck. So the thing is, you're not putting all your head inside the hot water. It's just the hair so that it can soften it, because if you're using a fresh expression attachment from the pack, it's gonna be stiff, so it's not gonna bounce around. But the moment you put it inside the hot water, then it's gonna soften up, and then you can, you know, twirl it around. It's gonna flip. This is it right now. And then, just for the sake of this video, this is me right now. Just putting it in. You're gonna feel it. It's gonna be very hot. So I'm just gonna put this down. And take my towel. Now guys, this is very, very important. I mean, you want to do it once or twice, right? You want to do it once or twice. So you don't want to fold at the same time. You don't want to fold by the time you're picking it up from the hot water. You don't want to fold maybe with the towel you have on it. You don't want to fold it. No, you want to make sure that it's straight up, because by the time you fold it, it's going to coil up, and that's what you don't want. You don't want that. So you want to fold, just, you know, make sure that everything is dripped out. I'm not folding it, I'm just squeezing the water out. You see the straightness is still there? I'm just squeezing the water out. So you want to do this once or two times. This is just for the hair to just soften up, so you can, you know, swirl around. And for the sake of those, maybe you can do it yourself, you can also use a towel and just dip it in. It's really hot, guys. And so you want to take this towel just at the tip, and just, you know, to just make everything relaxed. You see? That's it. That's it, guys. It's hot, trust me. I mean, I'm just doing like as if it's not hot. It's hot. It's more calm. It's something you see, you can actually, you know, actually twirl around with it. So, but then you want to make it dry. Of course, you want to make it, just for the sake of this video, that's what I'm doing. So you want to make it dry when it's that, and then you're good to go. This is the look. This is the way it is. And just to top it off, I always finish it with the Pantene air spray. I just, you know, my hair, and then I just, and guys, that's it. It's simple. You can actually do this at home. You can actually, you know, this is a very, very good to, like, I mean, because of the video, it might look like it's like an hour or so, but it's going to take you literally 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Just make sure your water is boiled. It's by the time you're actually packing the hair. And by the time you're done, the water will finish running. You do this and that's it. So this is the finished look. You actually don't need to stress about it. It's like 15 minutes. Like, you literally don't need to do too much. So guys, please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, it won't take 2 seconds. And don't forget to leave a comment. And guys, the most important thing, don't forget to wash your hands and stay safe. Stay at home. If you don't need to go out, you don't need to go out. Just stay at home. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you join in next time and watch a video next time.